Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily rename a preset on your M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and tap on the mouse right here with your mouse. What are we going to do is here we have something like key assignments. Of course, you can change the name. And if you want to change your DPI profile, if you want to change the name of it, you need to double tap it. So double tap, and as you guys can see, we're in to change it. So for example, HardReset.Info setup. As you guys can see, now I changed it, and of course the default one can also be changed. So HardReset.Info backup. As you guys can see, we got the backup and setup. So these are both different things. You can see that. And that's how you guys can rename it. Of course, the same goes for key assignments, as I've mentioned before. Let's go over and type in something random. It works. And everywhere where you can do that, you can do that. As you guys can see, even the watercolor one, you can change it. And here is the name. So that's how it works. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.